Hi and welcome to Majestic.cloud. My name is Laszlo and today I'm going to show you how to set up a static website in S3 and use CloudFront to distribute it. But more than that, I will also show you how to provision a free SSL certificate for your static website so your visitors can browse securely with HTTPS. We will use CloudFront to serve the website together with Route 53, which will point our domain name to this CloudFront distribution. So let's look at our architecture diagram. We have our S3 bucket here with the static website. We will have CloudFront, a CloudFront distribution which will serve the content and uses SSL certificate that we will provision in Certificate Manager. And then we have Route 53, which directs the traffic to the appropriate CloudFront endpoint. Besides being able to use an SSL, this solution has another big advantage. Due to the fact that we use the CloudFront network, our static website will be cached on the CloudFront edge locations closest to your users, providing low latencies and better user experience. So let's start building this. First, let's look at what I have here. So I have in Route 53 a domain named playground.majestic.cloud. I will set up my static website on this domain. It doesn't have any records so far, just the NS record and the SOA record. So first, let's go issue the certificate because that takes a bit of time until it's verified. So meantime we will do other things. So I will go to Certificate Manager and I will click on Get Started and request a public certificate. These certificates are free, so you don't have to pay them. And I want to issue it for my domain playground Majestic.cloud. Okay, click on Next. You need to validate the domain, so I will use DNS validation. Click on Next. I will not add any text right now. Click on Review and Confirm and Request. Now the request is in progress. What we need to do here, we need to verify our domain, and for that we need to add a CNAME to the DNS. But if you use Route 53, this can be automatically done by clicking this Create Record in Route 53. And as I click here, it will add a record. If I go back here and refresh it, you can see that it added this CNAME record. If you use another DNS provider, you will have to add this manually to your DNS provider. So copy this name, the type CNAME and the value, and you set it up. So we will wait for this to, we will not wait, we will do other stuff, but this takes a bit of time until it validates. So meantime, let's go in S3 and create our bucket. So click on Create Bucket. You will need to name your bucket the same as the domain name, so playground.majestic.cloud. Okay. We will want to uncheck this block all public access because we want to allow access to the content which is in the bucket. And we need to check this. I acknowledge that the current settings might result in this bucket and the objects becoming public. And click on Create Bucket. Now that our bucket is created, let's go and upload our website here. I will click on this and upload it. And let me find it. It's here. Open. This is fine. Now let's click on Upload. After it uploaded, you will want to select them and click here on Make Public. So this will make the files public. Okay, let's close this. Now what we want to do we'll go to CloudFront and create a distribution. So click on Get Started. The origin domain name, here you need to select the bucket you just created. It's shown like this: playground.majestic.cloud s3 amazonhouse.com. Click on that. Origin path, if you want in a subfolder, then you would use this. I will leave all the settings the same except redirect HTTP to HTTPS, so I only want to serve via HTTPS traffic, and all HTTP will be redirected to HTTPS. Let's go here, and here I want to use my domain name as an alias, playground Majestic.cloud. Okay, and I want to use a custom SSL certificate, and I have this one here, which we just issued a little bit earlier. Click on that. Other things I want to configure here: the default root objects will be index.html, so this is the default object if you enter the naked domain name, and I think this is it. So let's create the distribution. This usually takes a bit of time. You see here it's in progress. Sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes. I will pause the video if it doesn't finish as soon. But meantime, let's check Certificate Manager. You can see that our SSL certificate was validated. The domain name was validated and it's issued now. Then that's why we could use it in the CloudFront distribution. So this is in progress. I will now pause the video until it finishes. So our distribution is now deployed. That means that it's done, and we need to add a record in Route 53 to this, and we do that by create record, and we'll use the root of playground.majestic.cloud, and this will be an A record, and we need to check here alias, and the endpoint will be alias to a CloudFront distribution, and we will choose the only distribution we have here, because I have only one distribution. Click on it and just create record, and now I have an A record for my domain name, and it should route the traffic to this CloudFront distribution. So let's check this out. I'll copy this and I will add it here, and as you can see, my website loads. This is a simple static website. You can see that connection is secure. I have an SSL certificate which was issued today and by Amazon for free, and this is it. This is how we deploy the simple static website with S3, CloudFront, Certificate Manager and Route 53. I hoped you liked this video. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you soon with another video about cloud computing.